I work from home and I work mainly from my phone or from a computer. And I was starting to feel like I have the beginning signs of carpal tunnel where I have that shooting pain going through my thumb and my wrist. And I know it's because I have poor posture when I'm sitting there, typing on my phone. So I came across these, and honestly, I've only been using them for a week or two now, but at the end of every day, I have not had that shooting pain through my thumbs, which is really great. I know I may look a little bit funny, but honestly, at the end of the day, I will take that over any kind of pain. This is not just for carpal tunnel. It can also be used if you have like any sprains or anything like that, because it does have that plate in here. This is rock hard, so it is keeping your wrist straight. So basically, you just slip it on and you've got Velcro. Very easy for you to do. You just put it in and then attach here. This one wraps around and like this. You do have to get them individually. I have the right one and the left one. I do have more pain in my right hand, but again, just as a preventative measure, I went ahead and got the left one as well. It was a little bit awkward at first for me to be holding my phone like this, but again, it is giving me the proper posture that I need right now, which of course is important. This is the size small medium. It does come in different sizes, so obviously you want to make sure you get the one that is suited for you. This one just fits me. I definitely would not want to go any smaller. I probably could have gone bigger, but honestly, like I feel very comfortable. I feel supported, and that is the whole point. And yeah, I'm excited to keep using these and really hopefully nick that pain.